guys, it's Emperor. It's the first of 2021 and I'm here in Hawaii's Volcano National Park. Here's a steamboat from the volcano. There's another one over there and there's some across the road, but unfortunately we're not allowed to go to them.
That erupted 2 Sundays ago.
Hey guys, it's Emperor and I'm at the home of Pele. I took you guys down there to see the smoke from the crater, but the view wasn't good, so now we're up here where you can see the crater and the outside. Later, after I eat dinner, I will take you guys back out here when the sun sets and you will be able to see the red glow from the lava. I'm very excited to see it. Great dinner at the volcano house. Now let's go outside and see the glow from the volcano. The sun has set, so it's very dark. You can see a red.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
So I put a flash on for you guys. The glow is faint, but it's worth it. And there are millions of stars in the sky.
There it is. Look at the stars. Awesome. Can't see the stars.